Dr. Shashikanta, orthopedic surgeon at Star Hospital, Nanakramguda. So knee replacement surgery is a very commonly done operation for advanced knee osteoarthritis. The traditional way of doing knee replacement has given good results. In order to improve the results, robotic technology has come into place. The use of robo has improved the results of knee replacement, mainly with increasing the patient satisfaction. The postoperative pain is less. The way the implants are placed is increased with much precision up to 1 millimeter. The overall effect of this is a good long-term result, and the knee replacements which are put in with the robotic technology are going to last for longer than the traditional method. So hence we have started using the robotic technology, and we wish to use this in future for our knee replacement surgeon patients to give them better results. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Praveen Mereddy. I'm one of the senior consultant orthopedic surgeons working at Star Hospitals, Nanakramguda. Basically, today we have introduced a robotic technology. For the last 6 weeks, we have been able to give excellent results to our patients because of immediate pain relief and faster recovery. And they have been able to recover faster, and they've been able to walk faster without support. And it has shown excellent results in our hands. Only time will tell whether these will last for a longer duration than the traditional knee replacements or not. Because of the additional equipment needed and the robotic technology being used, the cost will add on to the traditional knee replacement current cost. It may vary between 50 to 75,000 or sometimes even up to 1 lakh.
I am Dr. Veda Prakash, orthopedic surgeon at Star Hospitals, Nanakramguda, Financial District. Today we have launched our robotic knee replacement surgery. As you all know, knee replacement is a fantastic surgery to relieve pain in patients suffering from advanced osteoarthritis. In osteoarthritis, patients develop severe pain so that they are not able to do their day-to-day activities. And knee replacement actually relieves them from pain and gives them back the mobility that they always wanted. With the robotic technology, the success of knee replacement has gone up significantly, and also the amount of pain the patient goes through after the surgery has reduced significantly as well. The robotic technology allows the surgeon to do the surgery very precisely to a millimeter and to a degree. And this is the reason why patients have fantastic results after robotic knee replacement surgery. We have acquired one of the cutting edge technology machines, which is manufactured by Johnson & Johnson in America. The Wellis robotic system allows the surgeon to do a precise surgery that will last a lifetime. Thank you.